Hi, it's Paula from Weaved In. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways of inserting lifelines. The first method, you take your tapestry needle and a lightweight yarn in a different color. You mark where you want your lifeline to be. So this is where I marked. Okay, you insert your needle into the right leg of the stitch. Then you go to the next stitch, you insert your needle into the right leg. Okay, and then you continue doing the same until you get to the end of the row. Okay, going to the next stitch, insert our needle into the right leg, then into the next stitch, and then into the next stitch. Okay, just going to zoom in so that you can see. Okay, so you go into the right leg of the stitch. Okay, so this is the stitch. It's not this one, it's this one here with the V. Okay, so you insert your needle into the right leg, then into the next one, to the next one. Okay, so you continue doing the same until you get to the end of the row, and that's how you insert the lifeline. Okay, we're at the end of the row, and this is the last stitch here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's how you insert a lifeline. So that's the first method. The second method, you thread your needle. Okay, then you go to your live stitches, which are these ones, these stitches, and then you just insert your needle into the stitches. And thread your yarn through to the other end. Okay, so this is method number 2. So after inserting the lifeline, you just continue knitting as usual. And when you knit a few rows, the lifeline will look like this, will look exactly like this. Okay, so that's method number 2. Then method number 3, just going to pull this one out. Okay, so for method number 3 is for those using circular needles. Okay, on your circular needles, you've got these holes there. Got a hole there on each needle. So what you do is you take your yarn, and then you thread it. Then you thread it through that hole. So I've got this little tool that I got from Amazon. Just insert it into there. Then I'll thread the yarn through. And I'll just pull the yarn. Okay, so now you've got your yarn there on the needle. you just continue knitting. Okay, let me just do a few stitches so that you see. Okay, so you've got your yarn there, just start knitting. So as you're knitting, the thread is being weaved into the stitches. Okay. Okay. So we're at the end of the row. So just pull this. So now you can take this off. From here, you can just carry on knitting as usual, and after a few rows, it will look exactly like this. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions. Until next time, happy knitting.